The other math class. It's good to have you all here. And today I'll be taking you through a mathematician story. Yeah, I think is better if we can learn from our predecessors, the mathematics guru. Those who have contributed immensely towards mathematics. Okay, those whose contribution to mathematics is highly commendable. There's a need for us to take you through the story. While we are doing that, I will encourage every one of us to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and perhaps share some of our videos. This is going to encourage us to produce more videos. Yeah, the mathematician we'll be talking tonight is Professor Gauss Carl Frederick. Yeah, he's the major scholar who derived what is known as sequence and series. There's one interesting things about this author, and the topic sequence and series is very common in secondary school, in which virtually everybody who study mathematics must have gone through it in one time or the other in their lifestyle. So what would happen was that when he was in school, yeah, when he was in, I think it was in Form 2, just more or less like, let's say Form 2 in Nigeria, yeah, he was still a kid. So there was a time that teacher was in the classroom teaching them as the normal way in which we teach our students as well. And someone just came in and said, "Oh, Mr. So so so, the name of the teacher, the head teacher would like to see you right now." So the teacher had to answer the call of the head teacher. As the teacher was about leaving the classroom, he felt that if I should not leave, I should leave the classroom right now. Majority of the students will just be making noise, disturbing the class. Then he decided to engage the students by keeping them busy. And this is what he did. Yeah, this is what he did. He asked the student to add from 1 to 100, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, like that, up to 100. And, he believes that by the time he returns, the majority of the students will still be busy doing the addition. And he decided to keep them busy using that techniques. So as the teacher was about gathering his books, his textbooks, ready to see the headmaster, God stood up and he said, "Sir, I'm through with the addition." To the teacher biggest surprise, it was like, how will you be through with the addition? Something I believe that's going to take you, let's say, an hour or so or more for you to do. Now, how will you tell me you are through with adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus 100? That's too fast. And God said, "But sir, I said I'm through." The man just left and told God to sit down and do what he asked him to do. By the time the teacher left the classroom, Gus was just jumping from one table to another table, playing, laughing, disturbing the class. And when the teacher returned, he met Gus just playing. The teacher was so furious, asking Gus, "Why would you be playing? You didn't do what I asked you to do." Funnily, Gus showed the teacher what he has done. And to the teacher biggest surprise, what Gus did was perfectly right. You know, I'm very sure many of you would want me to show you what Gus did. Yeah, and I'm going to show you right now. So, and then let me just finish the story before telling you what Gus did. And this is what brought about the introduction of sequence and series. The teacher was so marveled about on what Gus did, and he decided to show Gus to the head teacher. The head teacher too was so impressed with what Gus did, and from then they started developing the boy, knowing that he's exceptionally good. And today he's one of the foremost professor in the area of mathematics, in the area of physics, and some other areas as well, in programming as well. And what Gus did was this. I don't know if I can just show you using my paper here. Yes, I'm just going to just give me a minute, please. Okay, so and yeah, this is what Gauss did. Gauss believes that we have from 1 to 100 addition of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus 100. Okay, this is what, no, I'm writing 1000 here. Sorry, I mean 100. So this is what Gauss wanted to add. And Gauss was like, instead of wasting my time, okay, what if I have 1 up to 50, which is half of 100, right? And containing from these, we have 51 up to, if you look at 50 plus 51, this gives what? 101. And Gauss was like, let's multiply these two together. Here we are 101 times 50, okay? We have 0 times this, 0, 0, 0, okay? 5 times this, we have 5, 0, 5. And then we have what? 0, 5, 0, 5. And to your biggest surprise, even if calculator is being used, you are still going to get this. So that's what Gauss did. And that is the major story of the mathematician, in which we'll be telling ourselves today. I believe this inspires at least one of us. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day till we meet next time. Okay? Thank you.